What's going on YouTube? So today I'm we're gonna be working on the signal light and the tail light. So this one here, I'm gonna move this one here, and so it's gonna go like L shape like this, downward. So one is going like that and one's going down. So I just received my package today. So I decided just to put this street lights like this, so that way in case in the future if you want to remove, you can always remove it, right? So this is it. That's why I planned it out to place an order for this one. So that's the one. Well, it come with the tie wrap too. Wow, so it's red and yellow. All right, so let's do this one. They have another one which it's about the same length like that. So if this one good, then I'll get the other one too. I will replace that one. Okay, let's do this one. All right, so let's test the light first, so that way we know which one is which. I already know, like, but then I just want to double check. So that's the warning light. There you go. So it's that way. Stop light. All right, so now let's put this one. Okay, now so let's put this one on. So go. Yeah. Now let's put this one in the other side. Side here, I don't have to. I need to show. Okay, so oh my god, why did I touch that one? All right, so now this is ready. So the other two that was in here before, so it's gonna go. It's really visible. This would be nice if it is dark smoke. Oh, see, it's nice when only when it lights up, but the way how it looks right now is not really good. Probably I will replace this one to red one like this, or smoke. Not this type though. So I'm just gonna do it like that for now, and then the other one is gonna be like this too. All right. So there you go, just like that. All right. So now we're done. Not yet. We're gonna hook it up first. All right. So now let's test it. Now I just connected everything. Brakes. That's it.